Hey Taurus, getting ready to do your general reading. This is going to be from 2nd of October till the 8th of October, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Guys, I'm not doing the 1st of October reading because I've already done it for the Aries full moon. Oh, nice. Taurus. Amazing. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck, Page of Wands. Somebody wants to communicate with you, but they're not sure how you'll react. Because in the past, you guys did not have a very pleasant relationship. It could be work wise, relationship wise, even a family member who's trying to communicate with you but cannot because they are afraid. I'm getting that this person has romantic feelings for you. If it's not a family member or work situation, then I feel it's a romantic situation and they want to offer you something, but you're looking somewhere else. You're not. So there's this new person who wants to, who has this eye out for you in the positive way, obviously. They want to, offer you this love and they want to tell you that they like you. But you are hell-bent on looking at the past where you were involved with somebody who was authoritative, who was, very bossy. And it was like the my way or the highway scene with them. And you did not like that. You did not like that energy. Even though you were okay with it for some time, when they did that with other people, you were okay with it. But when it started affecting you personally, you wanted to, leave, or you wanted this person to change, at least with you. But there was somebody who showed you a good picture, rosy picture, beautiful things, but they backed out. They were just, if it was a boy, I'll just say they were just a boy who likes to talk and not a man of their word. It left you feeling as if you lost, as if you have lost out on a big part of your life. You might be going through um, something that was terrible, like a breakup, or you left a job, or you had to, leave your family or something like that when this person came in. They showed you great things, they showed you a happy time, and then they just left without telling you what really happened. And every time you tried to contact them, it was a fight. You felt beat, you felt as if this person just wanted to humiliate you, and you are being offered something beautiful. You're just not looking at it. You've manifested something. You have prayed for to get over this pain and get closer to something that truly deserves your love and kindness. That they want to come in, but I feel you're not letting them. You need to meditate. You need to be in your power, Taurus. You need to feel your elements before it happens, right? Three of Cups, twice in your reading, Taurus. Somebody will come in your life and restore this balance. They will make you feel happy. But before that, you need to let go of this past person because even though you've got Temperance also twice, Sagittarius card could be a Sagittarius who wants to offer you this new beginning, but probably you know of them, you know that they exist, you know they're trying to be nice to you, etc. But you could feel that they have this player like energy attached to them, but I feel this person is genuine. But then it's all up to you, Taurus. You need to see what serves you the best. They are coming towards you very strongly, Taurus, this new individual. But I also feel the past individual is coming back, probably to begin something new or resume where you left. It could be that they want to apologize, but they'll apologize in a manner where it won't seem like an apology. They'll say sorry, but then they'll also add a tail to it, saying sorry, but I had to do my work. Sorry, but I had such and such situation that needed my attention more than you did, etc. Okay, so it's up to you to give in to them or not. You are manifesting a lot of things. You're manifesting love. You're manifesting wealth. Um, if you want to educate yourself, you're manifesting that. You're also manifesting a beautiful a pet. I don't know why some of you are wanting to adopt or buy a new pet animal like a dog, cat, even a parrot. I'm getting, I don't know why I got a parrot, but a bird, something like that, and you are manifesting it. So now it's up to you. When this past person comes, you need to decide whether you need them in your life to bungle it up, or, um, you know, though I feel when this person comes, there will be balance restored in your life. And why it will be restored is because you'll get closure. And you will finally look away and look into that person's eyes who truly deserves you. A blessed change is coming your way. If you have issues with your brothers or sisters, try and talk them out because they are your support system, guys. Also, you need to have a positive outlook for yourself, believe in yourself because you're going to be spending the maximum amount of time with your own self, right? So, why not make it a happy journey? Simplify your life, guys. Eliminate clutter and people who do not serve you anymore. They don't deserve to be in your life because all they bring is emotional turmoil. It's time to release negativity. Yes, please do so. Please release the negativity. Please relieve this negative person from your past because they are not here to help you. Even if they do come back, take it from there. But don't uh, keep thinking about this because it's becoming a blockage in your manifestations. And we really don't want that, right? Spend time with good people, people who make you feel light, happy, and loved, bring about that freshness in your energy, um, because you're manifesting everything. You've got the Aquarius card, the Star card, where it's a wish fulfillment card, and you've got the Magician as well. You're manifesting all that you ever wanted, Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So why not pick yourself up? Guys, it just takes 80 seconds of immense courage. Trust me. Do that. Pick yourself up and say no more. That's it. I'm done. And just start walking towards your own self. Right now, you're detached. You're just too involved in this past energy, and it's not serving you, Taurus. Make yourself capable enough for the great things that are coming your way, because you truly deserve it, Taurus. This was your reading, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.